Imagine waking up and seeing money deposited into your account while you were sleeping. This is the dream of passive income, earning without working every single hour. In 2025, passive income is more accessible than ever before thanks to the internet and AI. You don't need a huge investment to start building financial freedom. Even small passive income streams can cover bills, rent, or extra expenses. Millions of people in the USA and worldwide are earning passive income daily. The key is finding the easiest, most realistic way to get started. Today, I'll show you simple, proven methods to make passive income work for you. Whether you're a beginner or already earning, these steps can help you grow. Let's dive into the easiest ways to make money online without constant effort. Understanding passive income. Passive income means money that keeps coming in after the work is done. It's not free money, it requires setup, planning, and smart choices. Once set up, it works for you whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. The goal is to separate your time from your earnings. This lets you earn even when you're not actively working. Popular passive income sources include real estate, digital products, and online ads. It's different from active income, where you trade time for money. The best passive income ideas can last for years once built. Some passive income streams grow automatically without extra work. The earlier you start, the more time your income has to grow. Why passive income matters in 2025. The cost of living in the USA and worldwide is rising faster than wages. Having extra income reduces stress and financial pressure. Passive income gives you more freedom over your schedule. It can help you retire earlier than expected. It's a safety net if you lose your main source of income. Passive income can help pay off debts faster. It gives you flexibility to work on projects you enjoy. It creates long-term wealth, not just short-term money. You can use it to travel more and enjoy life experiences. Many financial experts recommend having at least one passive income stream. The easiest passive income ideas for beginners: start a YouTube channel and earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Create digital products like ebooks, guides, or templates and sell them online. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Build a blog and make money from ads and partnerships. Sell print-on-demand merchandise without keeping stock. Create an online course once and sell it repeatedly. License your photos or videos to stock content websites. Invest in dividend stocks for regular payouts. Rent out property or rooms on Airbnb for steady income. Peer-to-peer lending earns interest from loans you fund. How to start passive income with no or low investment. Use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Docs to create content. Start with platforms that are free to join, like YouTube or Medium. Use social media to promote without spending on ads. Focus on skills you already have to save learning time. Partner with others to share resources and costs. Start small and reinvest profits back into your project. Use free SEO tools to attract organic traffic. Avoid expensive equipment until your idea makes money. Work from home to reduce startup costs. Outsource only when absolutely necessary. Scaling your passive income. Once one income source works, repeat the process with another idea. Diversify so you're not relying on one source. Automate processes using AI tools like scheduling software. Hire freelancers to handle repetitive tasks. Reinvest profits into new projects. Expand your reach to international markets. Collaborate with other creators for faster growth. Use analytics to track performance and improve. Upgrade your tools for better quality and efficiency. Keep learning and adapting to trends. Section 6. Common passive income mistakes to avoid. Expecting quick results without putting in effort. Spending too much money before making any profit. Trying too many ideas at once and not focusing. Ignoring research and audience needs. Relying on one income source instead of multiple streams. Falling for scams or get-rich-quick promises. Quitting your job too soon. Not saving for taxes on your earnings. Avoiding learning new skills to stay competitive. Giving up too early before results show. Using AI to make passive income. AI can write blog posts, ebooks, and scripts quickly. It can design graphics, logos, and product images. AI tools can edit videos automatically. Chatbots can handle customer service for online stores. AI can research trending keywords for SEO. It can create multiple social media posts in minutes. AI can help generate business ideas based on demand. It can translate content for global audiences. AI can track and improve your business performance. Using AI saves time so you can focus on strategy. SEO tips for passive income success. Update your content regularly to stay relevant. Share your content on multiple platforms for more reach. Long-term mindset for passive income. Building passive income takes patience and consistency. Don't expect overnight success, give it months or years. Keep learning and improving your skills. Reinvest profits instead of spending too soon. Stay motivated even during slow growth periods. Adapt to changes in technology and markets. Focus on delivering value to your audience. Celebrate small wins to stay encouraged. Remember, passive income rewards persistence. Passive income through real estate rental properties can provide monthly income with long-term value growth. You can start small by renting out a single room in your home. Platforms like Airbnb make short-term rentals easy to manage. Real estate crowdfunding lets you invest without buying full properties. Commercial rentals can bring higher returns than residential. Location is the key factor for consistent rental demand. Property values often rise over time, increasing your wealth. Maintenance and management can be outsourced for true passive income. Real estate is one of the oldest and most reliable income sources. Digital product passive income. Digital products can be created once and sold worldwide. Ebooks and guides can sell on Amazon Kindle or your own site. Templates and planners are in high demand on Etsy. Stock photos, videos, and music earn royalties every download. Apps or software tools can bring in subscription revenue. Online courses let you teach once and earn for years. Membership sites offer monthly recurring income. Digital art and printables can be sold without shipping. No physical inventory means low startup costs. The global audience makes this a high-income potential stream. Passive income from investments. Dividend stocks pay regular income just for owning shares. Index funds and ETFs provide steady growth with low risk. Bonds offer safer returns, especially for long-term stability. Peer-to-peer lending earns interest from loans you fund. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning property. Crypto staking can generate rewards from digital assets. High-yield savings accounts offer low but guaranteed returns. Automating investments helps you grow wealth passively. Reinvesting profits compounds your earnings over time. Smart investing can turn small amounts into large wealth. Passive income can change your life if you start now. The easiest way to begin is with something you enjoy doing. Use the tools and technology available in 2025 to your advantage. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start today. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more tips on making money online and financial freedom. Comment below which passive income idea you'll start with. Remember, your financial freedom is built one step at a time.